Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of fixing unavailable call on WhatsApp. If you are facing trouble in finding your calls on WhatsApp, then you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I am going to walk you through some of super easy steps to fix it. So we're going to try a few methods, starting from the simplest and working your way up. So stick with me till the end, and one of these is bound to work. So let's start with the quickest fix. So if you are facing error while calling, or if you want to fix the unavailable calls on WhatsApp, then first thing, you just need to make sure that your internet connection is highly connected to a very strong and stable internet connection. For that, you need to go to airplane mode. You can simply go from your notification bar or from your control center, turn on your airplane mode and wait for the 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off, and this resets your network connection and can fix the temporary glitches. And once you turn it off, go back to WhatsApp again and try calling or try finding or try fixing your unavailable call again, and you would be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. And if not, then there is the many option to follow the secondary. Then the next option is just you can simply go to your app store or Play Store. If you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and update the app accordingly. As I am iOS user, I will visit my Play Store. After going on Play Store, search the respective app. For now, that is WhatsApp, and after finding the app WhatsApp, and then here you can see your WhatsApp app. If there is no any updates available recently, so you just not need to update your app accordingly. You need to update your app up to date, because sometimes login issues or any kinds of unavailable chats, unavailable calls, unavailable video calls, voice problem, sound problem is because you are using an outdated version of the app. So updating it ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. So if updating did not help, it's time to clear the app cache, especially on Android. So here is how you can do it on Android. To do it on Android, you need to go to the settings and go for the option app or apps management and find the WhatsApp app and tap the storage and cache, then hit the clear cache, and this clears out all your old data that might be causing issues. So, or if you are an Android user or if you are an iPhone user, you can simply visit to your settings, go to the option settings and scroll a little up and go to the option general, and again tap on the option iPhone storage, and there you find the app WhatsApp. Here you go. Here you can find the app WhatsApp, and there is the option offload app, and you just need to tap on the offload app, and then again there is the option offload app and confirm it, and there will be the option like reinstall app. There you go. Tap on the reinstall app and your WhatsApp app will be downloaded again with all the latest version, newest version on your device within a very few seconds or minutes. So in many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn logging problems or any kinds of calling problem, video calling problems, voice message problems or chatting problems on WhatsApp. And then there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your WhatsApp account, and if it did, let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more to our channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one with another tutorial video. Thank you.